Hello fellow skincare enthusiasts, finally it's a sunny day and I'm back to filming a new product review where all of these products I'll be featuring in this channel are available at Minaco Online Beauty official website, exclusively reviewed only here in Minaco Online Beauty official YouTube channel, your online reference for quality, authentic and effective Asian beauty products. And in today's video is all about underarm care. And the product I'll be featuring is from Belo Essentials. It is the Belo Essentials Underarm Whitening Cream. This is for those individuals who have dark underarms, irritated with redness and tiny bumps because of these three common causes, which is plucking, shaving, and waxing. Now, before I share to you my personal experience, let's check the packaging and the ingredients first. When it comes to the packaging, it is convenient, easy to carry with if in case you bring it with you when you travel. Comes in a tube type packaging, which I love because you can really make use and squeeze out all the products. Comes in 40 ml. It is clinically formulated to penetrate underarm skin and intensively lighten without irritation. Targets darkening with the dual whitening action of Acti-White and Detox. Brightens and improves underarm skin texture with licorice extract and niacinamide. Prevents redness and skin bumps caused by habitual plucking, shaving, and waxing. Lightweight and is non-sticky. It is also paraben-free, hypoallergenic, and dermatologically tested. Direction for use is apply a pea-size amount on both underarms. It may also be used on inner thighs, elbows, knees, and areolas. Discontinue use if signs of irritation or rash appear. That's it with the packaging. It's pretty straightforward. Comes in this cute tube and I love the color combination, the orange and the white, and it comes with a cover right here so you can secure the product that it will not spill over in your bag if you're carrying it with you when you travel. When it comes to the texture of the product, I personally love it because it's non-sticky, non-irritating, and non-drying, and also it is lightweight, fast absorbing, and it's almost like a face cream. Now let's move on to its ingredients. What are the possible ingredients that can make the underarm whiten, smoothen, brighten, or non-irritating, and can improve the texture of your skin in your underarm? Well, in here it says in the packaging it has Acti-White, and I found out that this Acti-White is a synergistic complex of pea extract and sucrose dilaurate or dilaurate. And looking at the ingredients list, I found out that there is a pea extract, Pisum sativum, which is a pea extract, and yes, it has also sucrose dilaurate. So the action of the Acti-White is that it inhibits the melanin production. Melanin is the one responsible for our skin complexion. Some has darker skin because it has produced more melanin. Some have lighter skin because it has lesser melanin. So in that way, the Acti-White inhibit the melanin production and it will result to a visible brighter skin. Next in here is the Detox, and Detox is a premium blend of pure honey propolis and bee venom. So what it does is it mimics the effect of having Botox. That's why it's called Detox. Yeah. And upon checking in the ingredients, yes, we can see bee venom in here. Next here is the licorice extract, which has a soothing effect, especially on skin that is irritated, sensitive, and that has redness. So it's perfect if you keep on shaving or waxing. Just like me, I do shaving all the time. That's why from time to time I experience redness and a little bit of bumpy texture under my arm. Another one, and I know this is already familiar to you, it is the niacinamide, which is hydrating, anti-inflammatory, and known to calm irritated skin. So this is best for sensitive skin and irritated skin, actually for all skin types. For other ingredients you might be interested with, I will flash in the screen. Now let's move on to my personal experience. Video clip rolling.
Skin check prior to application of the product. I have uneven skin tone, uneven skin texture, brownish discoloration, and ingrown armpit hair in my right underarm. As you can see, it is freshly shaved.
Or I move around, I do a lot of things, so I tend to be sweaty under my arms, so I feel uncomfy. And for sweaty girls like me or individuals like me, I recommend the Belo Underarm Whitening Roll-On instead of this cream. Though our underarm is not directly exposed to sunlight, it is darkened or darkening because of habitual plucking or shaving, just like I do. Or maybe it's genetics that you have dark underarm in your family. But we can do preventive measures to minimize the darkening or at least prevent it or every 3 weeks, or if needed when I wear something like this, will expose my underarm, just like today. Now, to conclude the more than 1 month of using this product, I can say that it is effective. And not only that, you can really make use of this product. It is so worth it because it is not only for the underarm. You can also use this in your thighs. So if you have dark thighs, you can use this in your areola. If you don't know areola, it is the center part of your breast. Also, you can use this in your elbows. This one's really worth the buy if you want to try this one. I will link down below exclusively all the products reviewed here, including this one, available at Minaco Online Beauty official website. And also don't forget to like their social media accounts. They have a Facebook page and also they have Instagram, same name, Minaco Online Beauty official. My tummy is rumbling already. It's time for me to eat my lunch, and I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you like this one. I hope you find this video informative and entertaining as well. And if you're interested, follow me for more contents at It's Jea Chan on Instagram, TikTok, and Jea Chan on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching and see you on the next product review. Bye!